What's going on, everybody? JP here from Wander to Get Lost, and we are currently at Sunshine Key RV Park, and I am at the playground with the kids, and I wanted to share with you something really cool about the new thermostats we installed in the RV from Micro Air. So stick around and I'll tell you what it is.
It could be this simple forever.
Alright, so after we go over this feature, we'll show you how quick and easy it was to install this new thermostat from Micro Air. Full disclosure, we are sponsored by Micro Air, so big thanks to them for providing us these thermostats to use in our video and to use in the RV. So the really cool feature about this thermostat is that it's Bluetooth and wireless. So once you set it up through a Bluetooth connection and you connect it to a network, you will be able to control your thermostat and actually see it working from anywhere that you could be, as long as you have a working connection on your phone. So they have a really cool app, and once you get it set up, two areas in our RV. We have the main room and then we have the RV bedroom, and if you tap on one of them, so I'm going to show you here, this is our RV main room, and you can see at the top there's the Wi-Fi connection signal blinking right there, and it says inside temp is 74 and the RV is set to 70, and it is currently running, and the fan is on low and it's on cool. So we can adjust our temperature. I can even turn the fan on higher, and then the other thing we can do is then we can also check out the bedroom, and we can see inside it's 70. It's set to 70 and the fan is on low. So the really awesome thing about having this feature on the thermostat is that when we leave the RV and we leave Odie, who's our fluffy husky, and we leave him there for a prolonged amount of time, we can monitor the temperature inside the RV. The app also has a feature where you set a certain temperature and it'll actually alarm through the app if for some reason the AC stops working and it starts heating up in the RV. You will actually get an alarm saying, hey, the temperature has just risen to a certain point, whatever you want to set it at, and then you know, oh shoot, I got to get back to the RV. So that is a really huge feature for us, so that way we always know that Odie is safe and that we can monitor the temperature of our RV. So that's a really great feature and something for you to definitely look into. So let's head over to the RV. We're going to show you how quick and easy it is to install one of these units. We're back at the RV and show you how quick and easy it was to connect our new Micro Air thermostats. So this is our old thermostat that came with the RV. This is our Coleman Mac RV Comfort thermostat. So on the back it had two connection plugs, so all I did was I unscrewed it from the wall where ours is kept right here, and then I found these two plugs. So it's really simple. You just match the corresponding plugs and then plug them in, and that was it. So then basically what you have now is you have your thermostat and it's here. So the next step is just to mount it. So in the box from Micro Air, they give you this little 2-screw mounting kit. This allows you to get the perfect distance to line up with their holes. Screw this in and then you just cut the middle tab out. Alright, so got that installed, and then Micro Air also includes a little kind of cheat card. So it's an icon reference that tells you everything that you would need to know about the different icons that pop open. It also tells you don't mess with it, don't open it up and think you're going to be able to do anything because you're going to void the warranty. So after you get this installed, what you're going to need to do is download from either the Apple Store or Google Play the Easy Touch RV app. So that's this. So I've already got it set up. You can see I have two thermostats. One is the main room, one is the bedroom. All right. So what you're going to have to do initially is connect via Bluetooth before you can set it up with Wi-Fi. And with the Wi-Fi, you're going to need a network within your RV. So right there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the main room, which is this thermostat right here. Once you open it up and you're connected via Bluetooth, you'll have the Bluetooth icon up here in the corner, and then you're going to hit this cog wheel, and then right here at the top you're going to see Wi-Fi settings. So in Wi-Fi settings, you're going to put in your network name and then your password. So we're going to put in our network name and then our password, and what's going to happen is once you hit send, it's going to start the unit. So I'm going to hit send. Device will now reset and connect. So it just turned off, and it kicked back on. And as you can see here, now it has the Wi-Fi icon on. So that's how you connect it to your Wi-Fi network. And now once you're out and about wherever you are, when you're connected to internet, you'll be able to open the app and get a basically get this screen on your phone to check your temperature. Alright, so that is it. That is how you connect to your thermostat via Wi-Fi and get it all set up onto your network. And this will allow you to check your thermostats from wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connection, and you'll be able to see the temperature that the AC is putting out, and then of course what the actual temperature is inside your RV. For us with OD, where we can't always bring them with us whenever we go out, this is huge for us, because then we can always check in and make sure that the AC is running, the RV is nice and cool for him. And one of the good things about this app is it will also send you a warning if the temperature hits a certain point, whether it rises or whether it lowers, which may mean that your AC has turned off and is no longer working. So that way you know that you need to get back to the RV, or you can possibly call the front desk, let them know to be able to come to your RV if you have a key hidden somewhere, and open the door and get your pet out. So that is really huge, and which is one of the main reasons why we love this thermostat. So again, big thank you to Micro Air for sponsoring us and sponsoring this video with the thermostats. Thank you so much. We really love them, and I think we've had them now for almost 6 months, and they've been working flawlessly. Alright, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will link to Micro Air to their thermostats. Don't forget, when you go on their website, you do have to know what AC units you have on your roof and the type of thermostat. They have a really good, helpful guide to walk you through step by step to figure out which thermostat you need for your RV. You can always email or call them. Super helpful, and they will definitely get you the correct thermostat you need. Alright everybody, thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video. And eat your celery. What? See you on the next video, everybody.